Though root cellaring may seem like a dated concept in the face of modern progress, there are numerous reasons to consider building a root cellar. As a means to store food without the use of electricity, it is both environmentally friendly and economical. When you grow a bumper crop of vegetables or purchase seasonal produce in bulk, you'll save money in the long run while also preventing food waste. Knowing you have a root cellar full of food also means you'll have a sense of food security and self-reliance. The fundamentals of root cellaring. To keep fresh foods from perishing, root cellars must be cool, dark, and moist. Temperature. The optimal temperature for a root cellar is between 52 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on where you live, you'll need to dig below the frost line to achieve temperature stability. Humidity. The reason the refrigerator doesn't preserve foods nearly as well as a root cellar is because it lacks humidity. Maintaining the humidity level of 70% to 95% is key to successful root cellaring. Ventilation, just as important. Good air circulation within the root cellar will help prevent mold. Many root cellars have two vents, one to bring fresh air in and the other to move stale air out. Vent pipes should have a valve to control airflow as well as screens to keep rodents and insects out. Though it received its name because of its ability to preserve root vegetables, the root cellar can also keep many kinds of produce fresh. Keep foods tolerant of warmer temperatures along the top of the root cellar, and foods that require cooler temperatures toward the bottom. If you have extra space, you can also stow canned goods, cured meats, and aged cheeses in the cellar. Click the link below to learn how to build a small root cellar in your backyard with $400. Click the link below to learn how to build a small root cellar in your backyard with $400.